1 minute 11 seconds guys. Lamang 6. Quezon. Championship to guys. Championship sa South. MPBL Championship sa South. Pero wala na. Delikado na Batangas dito malaglag guys. Hindi nila inayos ang laro.
Decide kung saan pupunta yung offense nila.
Puro sila turnover. Nakita ko.
Pero imagine, this is one thing, ang mabigat dito sa Del.
Sino magcha-champion dito guys? Kakalabanin nila yung Pampanga sa National Champion.
Batangas. They missed 20. Ay, kita mo yung output nila, 56.
Ayan na, pinapauwi na yung Batangas.
Diba sana?
Ginto na kasi natalo pa yung Batangas nung game 2 eh. Kinulang silang depensa eh.
And we also saw a lot of Dubai-bound fans. Dubai-bound placards.
And narinig ko nga yung pinag-uusapan nyo ni Coach Mike. And ito sa series na to, wala pang home team na nanalo sa home court nila.
Kaya nga eh.
Di ba?
Ayan, ticket na.
Ticket na.
Sa December 1 ang dating mo, kung December 1 ang dating mo, di ba hindi ka umabot sa game 1? Kailangan mas maaga.
Oo.
O ito naman, passport. Kailangan may visa yan. Ang passport na yan.
Hindi ka makakapasok.
Oo. So, bola ng Batangas. 62 to 56.
Halos magkatabi lang itong Batangas tsaka Quezon guys. Wala na. Hindi rin binenas yung nagdadala ng Batangas, yung Levy.
Batangas under pressure. Aglaza will drive. Finds Porter inside the paint.
Oo.
4-point game.
That's a quick one.
And a collision between Gabanal and Levy Hernandez.
This will be a big call.
Yeah. Gabanal holding on to his groin area.
I-review yata, i-review na lang nila para walang away.
But if you're Batangas, you're still in it. It's a two-possession game.
Oo. Maybe part of gamesmanship, no? So let's see what happened.
There's the... Oh, there. Andun.
Kung bumawi.
Oo. And that
Double
happened right
foul
in front
to.
of referee Sam Pingol, and that's
Scores, oo.
And yung kay Gabanal na nakita eh.
Oo. Yung bawi ang nakita. Pero that yung low blow na coming from Levy Hernandez. Nauna yung bawi. Madalas ganyan talaga si Del sa basketball eh. That's a great angle there from our cameraman.
Upon review, it's a double disqualifying foul between number 22, Levy Hernandez,
Fair
and
enough.
number 77, Gabanal. Levy Hernandez and Gabanal are out of the playing court.
And this is a huge blow.
Oo. But sa akin, malaking bagay yan kasi walang makakakuha ng advantage yan na Quezon still can protect. They maintain possession and nasa kanila lahat yung favor line tapos
Parehas.
4.
I can't believe they did not see that. They're complaining. I cannot believe that they did not see that. Parang naman tayo pinanganak kahapon.
Alam mo naman eh, wala nga amin. At ang implication nito ay sa susunod na laro.
Yes.
Unless na magkaroon ng appeal.
This is interesting.
Wala, umina na yung mga player ng Batangas.
And he was solid, particularly in the third quarter.
Oo.
And Laban finished with 11 points.
And at the moment, played the longest among all Quezon players.
Yeah,
50 seconds, tagal.
37 seconds.
Ayan na.
11 points, 7 rebounds, and 3 assists para kay Gabanaw to go with 2 steals. They trap Gonzalez. Lagrama able to get that basketball on to Fuentes, and nakatawid ang Quezon. Oh! Backcourt violation.
Backcourt. O yan, may pag-asa pa.
Timeout. Batangas.
Oo.
May pag-asa pa.
You know, 3 guards there. And good if you see there, itong si Abundo talagang coming to the rescue and kinausap agad yung mga guards dito, mga Huskers.
Delikadong pasa yan.
So, that's the backcourt violation.
Nagpapasa
there.
sa alanganin.
Listen in to Coach Cholo Villanueva.
Apat lang yan, kaya nila yan. Quick 3 nila. Hindi, dos lang.
Screen, set. And then set, you're giving it a set. But what we're really looking for is this drop. Okay? You score a 3-point shot or a 2-point shot, go hard to the basket.
Samantalahin nila, walang sentro yung Quezon.
What do you make of that one, Coach Louie?
Oo, and sa akin yung dulo ng instruction It's after the shot, is be aggressive, attack, crashing.
38 seconds,
Right
yan
now,
na.
They have to use those yung sitwasyon na yan kasi they're not yet in the penalty.
Quick to lang, gawin nila. Quick to
At least
or...
try to fish for something after that.
Sayang kasi yung oras eh.
With 2 timeouts remaining, 4-point game. Isit to inbound. Ablaza, Porter, Baloria, and Ochea. Jong Baloria for 3. That's a wild shot. Ochea. That's last touch on Abundo.
So again, okay lang yun dahil at least
Quick to lang.
mabilis lang sa Delph.
That was the last time out of Batangas, so wala sila timeout dito. Down by 4. Isit to inbound. Ablaza is free. Ablaza scores.
Yan Yan, dalawa na lang.
Bagay.
The Quezon Huskers ahead by 2. Pero dalawang sunod na basket galing.
Nawala na ng sentro yung Quezon kasi pares.
Oo.
Thrown
And,
out.
first question here, okay, we have 30 seconds left in the game. Where will Quezon inbound the basketball? And looking at the foul situation, itong mga Batangas not yet in the penalty, so they can be aggressive on defending.
Wala na. May support pa yun ako. Nasa backcourt sila. Lalabas pa rin si Quezon. Gusto mo?
Pinagpapasok sa ating playboard pagkatapos po ng ating
Pag di na shoot ng Quezon to, delikado ang Quezon sa Batangas.
It's another heart-stopping finish dito sa Liga ng Bawat Pilipino. This is Game 3 of your South Division Finals. Quezon with a 2-point lead with 30 seconds remaining against Batangas. They will inbound on the other side of the floor.
Backcourt, oo. At least mas mahaba yung oras nila.
They pitch the ball to LJ Gonzalez. 2 balls.
Yun lang.
What a
Great
play.
play. Great play there.
Hindi sila nagman-to-man.
What a play from the Quezon Huskers.
Oo, sobrang
LJ Gonzalez makes it a 2-possession game.
ang mabigat doon kasi kung papaano si depensa si Simon Sandagon. He said hindi naka-react eh.
Ochea got caught. Doon kay Sandagon.
Oo,
Dapat tinawakan na
Nobody's
lang
winning
niya.
a foot race against LJ Gonzalez.
exactly.
Mali.
Nobody. Nobody in this building.
Walang gulang ang Batangas.
Can Batangas respond? 64-60. Valoria. To 4-3
Tres,
to
takbo
Isip.
yan.
Ablaza for 3. Too strong. Gonzalez with the rebound to Fuentes.
Wala na.
Ochea fouls Judel.
But Batangas not yet in the penalty zone. So it's just a sidelining ball. Pero itong
Nagpipilit sila sa tres eh.
Still has one more timeout.
Pwede naman dos na muna eh.
Batangas, they've been to the South Division Finals 3 times. And 3 times, they've been denied entry to the National Finals.
Oo. And you know, all of those games in this manner sa dal.
And that is off Lagrama as CJ Isil was able to force the turnover. Now, they will review this.
Nursing review on the last out of bounds play.
The series that has
Mali yung ginawa na
really
naman ng Batangas.
provided
Quick to lang
high
dapat.
entertainment, high drama.
And
As yung finale natin, hindi rin nag-disappoint eh.
exactly. And you know, if again, it's still a lot of time. Pero if Quezon escape this one, sa akin ang pinaka-highlight is yung last out-of-bounds play, full court press break na ginawa ni Coach Eric Gonzalez.
And here is the call. It's off Lagrama. So,
Oo.
a lifeline for Batangas City. Let's see how they
Oh, bola pa nila.
respond again.
Oh, dos. Yan, atake.
Against Sandagon. Porter, the one-hander shot.
Ay!
Rebound Abiso. And they foul Jason Abiso.
Yeah, with 8 seconds left, not yet in the penalty.
Nalobat na. Wala na, talo na to guys. 8 seconds.
So,
Bakit
Coach,
center?
you think Coach Eric will call for the timeout?
Walang gulang yung center.
Will Quezon finish off Batangas City here with 8 seconds remaining. Timeout. Coach Eric Gonzalez.
Oo.
Wala na, talo na to guys.
Again,
8 seconds na lang eh.
magandang press break, magandang sideline out of bounds play lang sa daw.
And this Quezon crowd.
Wala.
My goodness.
Magre-reshapo lang tao ng Batangas.
They've been there. They've been alam mo yung grabe yung engagement nila from the starting buzzer. And now we're nearing the final buzzer, Sedel. Nandun pa rin yung energy.
Quezon Governor Helen Tan among the 6,000 plus inside the Quezon Convention Center in Lucena. Amazing sight. What a celebration.
Yeah.
And they can smell it. The Huskers and their fans can smell victory here.
Within reach na, no? Ayan na eh. But again, this series,
I don't want to anyone.
ayaw mo
Ayan na, tapusin na. 8 seconds na lang.
It ain't over till
Wala
it's
nang
over.
habol to.
64-60. The number 1 seed in the South, the Quezon Huskers, are up by 4 with 8 seconds remaining. In the South Division Finals, they have the ball.
Wala na,
Lagrama to
nawala yung
rebound.
angas ng ano.
Topeng finds LJ Gonzalez. And they foul LJ Gonzalez. Gonzalez. Pupunta sa linya si LJ Gonzalez.
He hasn't missed.
7 second, wala na. Ayaw pa isuko.
LJ Gonzalez. Ano kanina eh? We were at 55 all.
Parang, Senel, I feel na parang sa kanya na lang lahat yung scoring.
Yes, sa kanya nga.
7 points.
And chance of MVP for LJ Gonzalez. 1 for 2. 65 to 60. Apinan to inbound. 7 seconds remaining.
3 lang. Sige, tapon. 3. Tres.
Steps out to the 3-point line. No! LJ Gonzalez!
Wala na. Talo. Talo Batangas.